Enter what? I saw the hungry. What is good, guys? How is y'all doing today? Bless y'all for tuning in. Bless y'all for tuning in today. So I am in this trade right now as we speak. I'm in these gold sales. Right now. I'm selling from a level I like. You get it? So let's see. It's already halfway to stop loss, but let's see if it's going to reverse. If it does reverse, then it's a very good thing. But if you don't, there's nothing we can do about it. I have taken the risks, calculated risks, a very, very calculated one at that. So we're going to see how it goes. First of all, let me update my free Telegram. So let me update my free Telegram. The funny thing is, today is Wednesday. So good. The funny thing is, today is Wednesday. Can you imagine? I had not seen any setup the whole week. Monday, Tuesday, and today I almost didn't see this setup. I was waiting for US 30. Let me show you US 30. I was waiting for US 30. I was waiting for US 30 to get here and sell for me. But it stopped around here and sold. Though even if I was waiting for it to sell from here, I wouldn't have taken any trade because the bullish engulfing it gave was just so big. You understand? It stopped here and sold. But this was what I was looking at it now. I'm not going to take this trade again because, of course, I need to take only one trade a day. But I am in this one. I'm in this one. Let's see how it goes. Let's record. So guys, let me cut you out there a little bit and tell you about today's sponsor. Now, this platform you see on my screen is Profitmatch. A lot of you already know this platform. Before you get a Profit account, I want you to do three things for me. The first one is come to Profitmatch with the link in my bio and check if the platform is listed on Profitmatch. You're on Profitmatch. There's about 40 prop firms that have been listed on Profitmatch. These 40 prop firms, you can buy an account, trade, and get payout guaranteed as far as you follow the rules and everything. And the next thing is this. I want you to come to the review part of Profitmatch and check what traders are saying about the prop firm you want to get. You check the trading condition, customer care, user friendliness, payout process, and the ranking. You get check all these things before you get this firm. Next thing I want you to do, which is very important when you're getting a firm, is to check the spread. You click on the spread part of Profitmatch and you come down and check the spread of the prop firm you want to get. You can see the spread of all the popular firms in our industry right here. And the final thing I want you to do, which is just as important, click on offer here. And on this offer, you're going to see the best discount code you can get for any prop firm. The best are on Profitmatch. Look at them: 50% off, 20% off, 30% off, 5%, 2%. All the discounts you can get with Profitmatch. So let's say the firm you want to get is Alpha Capital. You can click here on buy and it's going to take you to Alpha Capital's platform and you get an account with them. With that, you can keep what we call loyalty points. If you accumulate this loyalty point to some number, you can use it to get an account for free without spending a dime. Use the link in the description and go get your account with Profitmatch. Let's continue the video. What's good, guys? So today is Friday, and yesterday being Thursday, I took 2 different trades. But this is the funny thing. I didn't take it out of impulse or indiscipline. No, I did not. What I did was, yesterday I was eating and my setup pulled up. You understand? I opened my phone immediately and placed a trade on my funded FX. Sorry, on fundednext. And on fundednext, since gold was the last pair I traded on Wednesday. So as I just opened it, because I was eating, I had Gary in my hand. You understand? I just open it, I click, you understand, and I sold immediately. And I mistakenly sold gold instead of US 30 where I saw it set up. And that trade turned out to be a loss, immediate loss. And also I took the trade on funding Pips 50k account and I lost a 1%. You can see here now. As you all know, I'm risking 2% on this account, but I lost 1. That's because the platform did not allow me to risk 2%. It did allow me to risk 2%. You get? Now for the gold own, this thing, like, it pained me. Honestly, the thing pained me because, see, if you notice every week, like, I come to this trading and make a silly mistake. Not out of impulse, not out of indiscipline, not out of me trying to not being able to manage my emotion. I just come and make silly mistake. Let me show you where I took this gold trade. And I took this gold trade from here. Y'all know I will never take a trade from here. My trading strategy is break out from London session, come back. If I was going to take a trade, it's going to be from here or from here that there's a supply. I would not take a trade from here. And there was no bearish engulfing. This candle had not formed up. This candle kept going against me and I lost 200 and something and about $50 or more. This is the candle, this green candle here, as you can see. This is, like, it was crazy. It was so fast. It happened under 1 minute, if you check fine. Then it now later came down, but I didn't even pay attention. I was just wondering how I took this loss. And this was the US 30 trade I took. This was the trade here. I sold here after this bearish engulfing candle. But it didn't hold. It went straight to my stop loss and kept. I was wrong in the direction. Totally wrong in the direction. So coming back to the gold trade, yeah. I looked at the whole thing and it was really, really annoying because if you look back, you understand that if you look back, like, almost every week, I come back here and make some of the dumbest mistake, like a very stupid mistake, that if I explain to you, you will say it's a lie. I make this mistake every time, and I tell you people. And I had to think about it, like, this is not funny. This mistake is costing me money. It's legit costing me money here. Losing trade is not the only reason I'm, like, last week, I lost $600. 600 straight because of a stupid mistake. $600. I do this thing every week. Every week, one way or the other, one mistake will slip in. I thought about the whole thing, and the only thing I can look in here for a solution is focus. Now, this is it. Let's say my trading time is I come to the chart by 12 o'clock. You understand? Then I analyze my chart. By 1 o'clock, I start looking to take a setup. If I analyze my chart by 12, you don't really need to take up to 1 hour to analyze my chart. I analyze my chart by 12. My 4 markets by 12. Then I wait till the setup. And when I see a setup, I take it. I also wait as I'm documenting, recording. I'm waiting. You understand? So in fact, the time I'm on the chart doing something is not even up to 20% close to the time I'm not doing anything. So because of this, I am on my phone watching videos. You understand? Scrolling, doing some certain things. In other words, being distracted. So because of this reason, you understand, I have made a decision and added a rule to my trading that immediately it is my trading time, I am removing everything that does not concern trading. I keep it by the side until I've taken a setup and it has gone to either stop loss or take profit before I can take anything on again. That's exactly what I'm going to do now, because this thing is costing me money. Like, it's not even funny to me again. That's exactly what I am going to do now. Immediately it's my trading time. Everything, scrolling, I avoided everything totally. And yesterday, as I was thinking about it, it even made me understand that it can even help me to focus and be in sync with the market. In other words, taking better setups. Yes, it can. Focus on the market. In other words, taking better setups. The thing is it was very annoying, because they are silly mistakes. If I make these mistakes out of something like, okay, I'm being indisciplined, I will understand, okay, this is indiscipline. But this one, it is not. Careless mistakes. Like as if I dey lose my mind. Say para me, para me. So that's what I'm gonna do. Try to be more focused. Being more focused, I think, is going to solve this problem. Because looking at the whole issue, like, just go and watch them episode. Watch them, you'll see that I've been making one silly mistake after the other. Every week I come and make one careless mistake like that. Every week. And these mistakes are costing me money. It's not even funny. So, anyways, I just had to make this video because it was really, you understand, I'm documenting the journey online. I'm really doing that. And with that being said, things like this are supposed to be added because focus, you understand? Maybe I might have never thought about focus in the past. It was just all about discipline, you understand, learning a good edge and everything. But now I'm paying attention to like focus. Even Mark Douglas says it in his videos in his book. Focus is one of the things that a trader needs the most. And I think I have to put, hey, you don't want to know, like, it is funny. It is very funny. It is slipping $1 or $2 from me. You get every week, every time, and it doesn't make any sense. How can I just come to the chart and place a trade on another pair that I didn't even intend to trade? You might, oh, it's a mistake. Myself, bro, these mistakes can't keep happening. They can't keep happening. They have to stop. Anyways, today, Friday, I've not seen any setup yet. I don't know if I'm going to see, but if I see, I'll be glad. But I'm definitely going to update you guys. Let's do it. What's good, guys? How is y'all doing? So right now, I am in this NAS buys. As you can see, I'm in this NAS buys. I entered after the bullish engulfing here. But guys, that's not the most annoying thing. Yeah, put me in prayers. Put me in prayers. It's crazy. Let's go to account history and let's scroll down. Look at the $83 loss on gold. On gold. I still open my MetaTrader again and immediately place trade on gold by mistake again. It's okay. Anyways, I'm in this trade right now and it's going against me a little bit. Let's see how this is going to go. I hope it goes well. I hope it does go well. If it goes well, then I'll cover up all my loss for the week. Technically break even, but I'm not sure that $80-something loss is going to allow me to break even. But let's see how it goes. Of course, I'm recording. Let me pop this thing on my free Telegram. So this free Telegram, the link is going to be down below. You can always join if you want to. I bought NAS 100. I think it's 1S. Send. Use the link down below to join my free Telegram. I also document my trade here on this Telegram. Do well to join. Let's record. So that trade ended up being a loss. Made the same mistake twice, back to back, yesterday and today. Crazy, guys. To be very, very honest here, this is the worst time of my trading. It's really like the worst. Since I came out from the break, I've taken 13 trades. From my journal, I'm just 1 hour down. But I tell you something, this is the worst time of my trading. It's bad. It's totally bad. My kind of person is not the one to put the blame on something. I'll figure shit out and work it out. This is the worst time of my trading, believe me. If I succeed this, nothing will break me. I doubt. Right now on the 50k account, I've put all my hope in. My life, like, the account means a lot. Been trading this account since 2014. Sorry, 2024 beginning. I got that account as part of my partnership with fundednext, December 2023. Been training since 2024 beginning, January, like strict January, till like past it 2024 ending. Right now, that account is less than 2% to blow in. I don't even know how we got there. Believe you me, I followed my plan to this point. Like, apart from the mistakes I made, I've never like tweaked, sabotage, you get that kind of thing. Never, literally never. Just keep taking one loss after the other, down, 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 down. I don't even know what's going on, bro, honestly. This is like a very different idea of trading. Now, and I've heard stories where traders say things like, I only hear this from traders that have been trading for a very long time, something like 15, 20 years. I've said something like they've gone years, you understand, like literally 1 full year, 2 full years without making a single dime. And right now, sitting at the third month of me trying to make profit and not making a dime, literally losing back to back, I sit and think, like, how would it really feel to go 1 full year without making money? You're going to doubt yourself, because right now I've doubted everything I'm doing. Don't think I've not. I have. It's not even easy to be strong again. I don't even know how I'm still sane. See, apart from the fact that I'm taking these losses, go to my comment section for a minute. Just go to the comment section of this video now. Go to the comment section. It's a very big part of the whole thing, because when I see it, I get angry. You understand? This has been going on for months. The thing here is, and the reason why I really downplay everybody commenting in the comment section is because traders have very weak mind. You understand? Why do I say so? There was a time, January, I remember vividly. If you've been watching this channel, you know what I'm about to say. 8 wins in a row, 4 losses down. That was how I ended January. When I took the 8 wins in a row, you needed to see my comments, you needed to see my DMs. Everybody was like, bro, teach me your strategy. You understand? What do you do? How are you trading, bro? I want to learn your strategy. Oh, this guy is the GOAT. Oh, this guy is the legend. Oh, this guy is everything. Oh, bro, this is this. But right now, the same strategy, the same strategy. Right now, it is not working for me. Go and see the same people in the comments. Just go and see. See, they will sound very intelligent. You think they are saying the truth, or you think what they are saying makes sense. They are just operating from a weak mind, I will call. A weak mind. You get, operating from a weak mind. That's just it. It might sound stupid, but tell me something. Let's put some things into consideration. The same strategy have worked for me to date. As I'm talking to you, if I pull up my journal, I show you my data, I show you everything. The trading is still profitable. It's just a downtime. Nobody knows when it's going to stop, of course. But this thing had worked for me in the past. I came every day, took trade without knowing the outcome. It kept working. Right now, it's not working. It just so happened that coincidentally, it's the same time that the market has never been like this, based on like the news. Bro, we're literally anticipating World War III. What do you expect? For the markets to be stable and behave normal. You understand? My trading doesn't fit. Not just me, a lot of people. Like, I've never seen a time like, I had a guy, one of my friend, that does good trading, passing account, withdrawing. He took 17 losses in a row. He has never taken such before. Things are happening like magic in these times. You understand? So the same people are in the comment section saying I'm trading trash. I am egoistic, because when they talk at me, I talk back because I understand where they are coming from. I talk back, they say I'm egoistic, that I will never learn, I will never change. Like, the most annoying part is how he keeps coming. It's not really, you see, if you're going to pick a camera and document your journey online, do it if you have strong mind alone. Finish. The most annoying part of the whole thing is this. People talk in the comment section as if I am not putting effort in this thing. That's the most annoying part, because I don't even sleep at night. I stay awake either thinking about trading or on the chart, back testing, trying to better the trading. You get the point? That's legit what it is. See, this time I've built, like, it has taught me a very different, like, it has built something else in me, honestly, in my real life, in my trading. You feel me? It has built something else in me. From now henceforth, I can't afford, like, I can't literally afford to care what somebody might say or think about me or my trading or my life. You know why? Because that care is useless. Mind you, I was in the limelight, like, nobody knew me. I had the urge, I had a goal to come up and document my journey. I was working, doing my shit. I said, okay, let me put it online. Nobody sent me. You understand? I made that thing, and funny enough, right now I have like 30k followers on all my platform. About 35 or 30k. Okay, 35 on all my platform. This was a decision I made myself. I came up. So people come to the comment section and sound like you're too egoistic, you can never learn. The fuck? The fuck? Do you know what's in my head? Can you literally keep a camera like this and talk? Do you know what it takes to look at a camera like this and flow, be in sync, talk your mind? It's a different engine entirely. Some people call it talent. Some people learn this thing that I'm doing right now. No script. I don't script video. I just talk. For you to keep a camera and be able to talk, think, and talk immediately, it's a different level of energy. So it's that this person has some level of confidence, some ability, because it's not easy. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that this is my hardest time in trading. This is my hardest time, like the worst of all. Another thing I'm trying to say is that the worst of all is that I'm doing it online. You really see, it's not easy for me. Like, people are not even making it easy. But do you know what's the funny part? I'm gonna keep doing it online till I come out the other side. Let's watch. Let's watch. At this point, I don't even care. See, my account is left with 2%. In my blue. I don't fucking care. You understand? I don't care. Anything that wants to happen, let it happen. I'm not even trying to prove, like, again, this time just made me know that normally I say I'm not trying to prove, but I think this time made me know that I'm trying to prove. Because if not so, I won't be really concerned about what people say. But at this point, like, if people see where my back is at now, like, I feel very bad. Naturally, me as a person, see, if you meet anybody that know me, they used to call me violence. Do you know why? Because of I'm very aggressive and I have quick temper. That's why they call me violence. Like my secondary school boys, they literally gave me a name, violence. You get? Immediately start coming at me in a way I don't like, I attack you straight. I used to enter policeman, army man, anybody, no fear, nothing, zero. So naturally, this has been me. I've been a fighter. I've defended myself. Life have always been me defending myself. If you try to bounce on me, I defend myself. Nobody, I cannot pass you on the road, let you look at, this boy is a weak boy. You can't even think about it, even though you are seeing me the first time. Even if I know do pim, me looking at my face, you know that this one going here is terror barrier. So I fight with them in the comment section too. Again, I battle with them. See, believe you me, I'm telling you the gospel truths. If one day I can keep the camera and tell you what has happened in the last 3 months of my life, you will not believe that it's me that is talking here. You will not. 10 minutes already. This is the P&L of this video, of this week's trading. It was absolutely garbage, so many mistakes. A lot have been learned. I don't know who is going to sit and watch this 10 minutes video or this 11 minutes video right now, like the ending of this part of the video. But you know what's funny? If you do, please drop a comment. Tell me that you watched this video to this point. I'll be surprised. I'll be really surprised. There's a reason for that. It means, I don't know. I'll be really surprised. But I just poured my mind. As I'm talking to you now, and it's 2:36 a.m. on Saturday. I'm posting this video that I'm making by 12. Can't sleep. I just finished watching Squid Game season 3. You get? I don't even sleep at night again. Why can I not sleep at night? Because of personal growth. I go into the journey of personal growth. I have to use the night time for data, like to do this cheap data. We used to call it night plan, 15 hours for 500 MB. So from using it to download videos to learn how to trade, I got used to the act. Right now, I'm trying to learn how to sleep early. It is like the hardest thing in my life. 12 minutes. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Next week, we'll go again. Let's do it, guys. Bless y'all.